everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Goparkar. This is video number 4 of our stunning black sarees collection, perfect for this Makar Sankranti. So here we are. Now this video is about soft silk sarees, a very beautiful set of sarees. Each and every saree design is different. Sagya soft silk hai na? So all sarees are soft silk, and we have a couple of Banarsis as well. So yes, this is the beautiful soft silk light banda kar ekna. This one has a stunning border on the lower side, a very beautiful border. Okay, if you see, it has this tree and then peacock in the tree, a very beautiful design. This is the first one. These are on handloom soft silk sarees and a beautiful royal pallu. Okay, and the price of this one is 12,800. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next style. The next is again a black light on her. A beautiful black soft silk with silver golden zari butta, a very intricate butta in silver and golden zari. We had many designs in this particular pattern in silver golden zari. So a lot of you liked them and purchased them from the last live session. So we've ordered a few more. This is the pallu, a beautiful pallu. All these sarees have a plain black blouse, but you can team up these sarees with different blouses altogether. So yes, this is the next one. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this particular saree is 10,500. The next one is again a lovely soft silk. This one also has silver golden butta. This is the beautiful butta. Very elegant saree. The feel of this fabric is very nice, and just look at this very contemporary kind of a pallu. Beautiful design. This is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next side. The next is again a without border soft silk. Now just look at this butta design, a very beautiful motif, and again it has golden and silver zari both. This is the saree and this is the stunning pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this particular saree is 10,500. Say, yeah, 10,500. The next one is a brocade soft silk. A very beautiful one. This one is back in stock. We had a similar one, and this is back in stock. Stunning brocade design. This saree looks heavy. You can wear it for any festive occasion, but it does not have the traditional borders and pallu. So you know it's not very traditional. It's festive, but it's not traditional. It has a beautiful neon peach pallu. This is the contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this particular saree is 12,800. Okay. Let's move on to our Banarsis. Now we have a beautiful single colored Banarsi saree in copper tone zari. This is the beautiful Banarsi light bandakar. Just look at the border. Yeah, a very beautiful border design. Single colored black. I'm just going to come close and show you the butta as well. Yeah, and the beauty of this saree is in the blouse. So I'm just going to show you the blouse as well. This is the pallu. Most of the Banarsi sarees don't have very big pallu designs. They are shorter pallu designs. However, the length of the saree is still the same. And now this is the blouse. A very pretty blouse design. Okay, this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this one is 12,500. We'll confirm the prices on WhatsApp. Now this is the next one. A very beautiful magenta, black with magenta. Again a pure Katan silk. Just look at this border. A very elegant border design. Okay. The butta is also different. It's not a very common butta. Yeah. Beautiful saree. The price of this is 12,000. This is the pallu, and it comes with a contrast blouse like that. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a black and maroonish colored bordered Banarsi sari. This is the sari. A very beautiful one. Again, copper tone zari, a very interesting border design. Okay. And this is the flower shaped butta, a very contemporary butta. Not the traditional paisley or those kinds of butta. So this is the gorgeous sari. This is the pallu. And again, the beauty of this sari lies in its checkered blouse. A very interesting blouse design. So yes, this is the gorgeous Katan silk. Price is 12,500. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is black with pink and mustard. Now this is very beautiful one. Delicate butta. This sari is again priced at 12,000. A delicate butta, right Bandhagar. And this is a mustard colored border. Copper zari. And the borders are small. These are not very big borders. So those who want small bordered saris, this is perfect for you. It has this beautiful magenta colored pallu. So this sari has 3 colors in it basically, and this is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Price is 12,000. So yes, this was our 4th video. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and I'm coming up with one more last video. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.